What's up, you guys? I am in the shop today working on customer stuff, building a hot side for the Turbo S10 over there. And I wanted to take a moment and maybe use some of this project for my first little tool. I use this tool episode. So what I have going on is I'm trying to do a wastegate placement, right? And you want to put this tube on here somewhere on this straight section, because I got a lot of fan, fan and alternator and stuff going on over here, so I don't have room. But I have room right here. So how can we do that easily? We don't want to like use a flap wheel, right, to try to notch the end of a tube. I mean, you can do that. You can definitely do that. You can definitely get away with it. Takes a little bit more time, it's a little messier. Make sure you wear your safety glasses. But if you're looking for a quick solution to notching a tube, and that's clean and gonna look, your fit up's gonna be perfect for when you TIG weld it. Same tool you can use for doing your roll cage tubes. I'm sure there's a ton of things you could use a tube notcher for. So I'm gonna show you my tube notcher. This is Rogue Fab Versa Notcher, and it does 125 degrees of angle on your cut, which is a lot. If you look at a lot of the cheaper, more affordable notchers, they only go to like, I think that some of them only go to like, they say they go to 60, but they don't actually get there. This is my first notcher because I figured all the cheaper, maybe inferior notchers out there would lead me to this one. It has a needle bearing setup in here. It's got 6 set screws that hold the arbor in. I think that the vise can fit up to like a 2-inch tube in there, maybe. Most of the, obviously what you'd use this for is 1 3/4, 1 5/8, and smaller for roll cage stuff. I did just use a piece of, let me see what this measures out real quick, 1 7/8 to notch my piece for my wastegate inlet. So that's a 45-degree mouth on that. So I just locked in these little cam lock handles. Once I got the pointer pointing on 45 degrees there on the scale, and just blasted right through this thin wall 16 gauge 304 stainless. And now I can I gotta put this hot side back on the truck to make sure, but I got the super nice fit up on here now, which gives it nice wastegate priority, which means it's just going to be easy to vent. The flow of the exhaust is not going to be trying to go backwards or something crazy. So we should have good wastegate control, good boost control. And then there is some burrs on here when you use the notcher, so just use the flap wheel, clean them up, or hand file for the ones that the flap wheel doesn't reach. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. That's I think the Versa Notcher, it's not cheap. It's probably 400 bucks. A lot of the tools I'm going to be showing you guys are a lot cheaper than that. But that is a damn good one. Especially if you're doing a lot of notching, doing your roll cage or something. You guys saw me building Ron Burgundy. That 750 cert was a lot of notching, and that thing was invaluable. That notcher. So go on Rogue Fab's website. They don't endorse me or nothing. I just like their stuff. They don't even know who the hell I am. But I have their bender too. I got their tube bender and a couple dies, and all their stuff is killer. It works awesome. So go in there, check them out. Sometimes they run a Black Friday deal, which is coming up too next month. So check that out. I think that's when I bought mine, actually, was around Black Friday. I got the notcher and the bender and a couple dies all at the same time. So yeah, stay tuned for the next I use this tool episode. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.